What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video gonna be unboxing the Adidas Easy Vulc 2.0 shoes, the essential everyday sneakers. It's an amazing EVA sneak liner for day and night uses that is easy to combine with any clothes that you are looking to wear. Because of its color, it takes the classic 3 stripes from Adidas, and it's in a really good material. It's easy to use, it's comfortable, it's really nice to wear and fits well. And there's the Adidas logo embossed and outsole. The sneakers has modern materials that makes it a good fit for any use, but it's more like a casual sneaker. It comes in a couple of colors. We are unboxing the black one. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodel.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes and our YouTube channel for more unboxing videos. And I see you later. All the best!